Hi friends, do you want to make money online? Do you want to work from home? Do you want to start your freelancing journey or freelancing business? If it is, this video for you. If you are a student, if you are a job holder, or if you are a housewife, a single mom, so you can make money from home using your basic skills if you have an internet and computer. If you want to start your online career with no money, in 2024 gonna change your life forever, because I'm a freelancer and I'm a content creator. I have multiple sources where I can make money. If I can make money using my skills, so why not you can? So that's why I'm here to help you or support you. If you are new in my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe, and if you love this content, please give us a thumbs up so that it can help me to encourage create more and more videos like you. So I have already created lots of videos like how you can make money online using different kind of website where you can sell your basic service. Like if you know the data entry, Microsoft Excel, so this playlist gonna help you a lot, because I have created 12 videos. It's all about data entry, lead generation. So I am getting questions from you guys how you can start your journey. Okay, so I will upload another video, the step-by-step tutorials. So this is a real project, this is a real money and real work. So if you watch those kind of videos, so you will get a bunch of ideas, so it will help you to start your journey. So first of all, find your interest. Okay, that's I already told many videos. So if you are loving to do like data entry job, so just go for it. Or if you want to love to do video editing, image editing, so you can do it. Okay, so I'm right now in freelancer.com. It's the biggest online platform where you can earn money selling your services, or you can hire freelancers if you are an agency or if you are a business owner. So this is the platform. Here you can see if you have any basic skills like web research, data entry, copy paste, so you can start your journey with doing this kind of project. So how you can get this project? You can select buy skills, buy language, feature jobs, and find contracts. So if you see the buy skills, here you can see the find graphic design job. So if you have graphic design skill, so you can sell your service. What kind of services are graphic design? So if you don't know, so you have to spend some time to analyze this and understand the graphic design jobs and the work process. Here you can see under the graphic design jobs, you will see the logo design, website design, banner design, 3D modeling, Photoshop, illustration, 3D animation, 2D animation, other graphic design jobs are available now. Okay, if you have any website skills, so you can sell your services. If you ask me how I can learn website design, okay, so I believe you are watching my videos on YouTube. So YouTube is the great platform where you can learn this kind of PHP, JavaScript, .NET, WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, Shopify, Magento. Those are the e-commerce website. That means you have to learn first how to create a e-commerce website. You will get a lots of videos like the tutorials. Okay, you have to watch tutorials first. Then when you can complete a project like a sample project or demo project, then you are capable to work on this platform. Okay, this is the one platform, freelancer.com, but I will show you another platform where you can also sell your services. So one skill, you can sell multiple platform and you can get multiple buyers. Okay, and slowly and surely you can make your money, and one day I believe that you can start your agency. So in this video I will show you the job opportunity that doesn't need any experience, doesn't need any requirements, any high level skills or something like that. So the category is data entry job. So if I click on that category, so you will get lots of jobs, 479 jobs found. Okay, pricing in USD, and news first, click on news first. Here you can see the highest budget, lowest budget. Okay, you can also select that and you can check that out. Okay, and those kind of online job, that's a remote job where you can, that's mean you can work from your home. Here you can see the writing, transfer records to words. That's mean if you have writing skill and you can know how to handle words, Microsoft Word. So VDs, here you can see the budget is 132. Okay, also here you can see the data entry into CMS. So CMS, that's mean content management system. So if you know basic WordPress or Shopify or any kind of content management system, You can also do data entry project like this. Here you can see. Also here you can see the data entry project. Hourly rate is $18. That's a great amount. Here you can see data entry and copy paste work. It's a verified and it's a big budget, 628. This kind of project you can handle also. $158. Word doc into fillable PDF. It's a $25 per hour. That's a great. So if you scroll down, you will see lots of project. Okay, so if you are capable to do this, so don't worry, just apply this. Okay, here you can see the bid now. Like this. Here you can see the Excel spreadsheet. So if you are expert one and writing a formula to limit results within a table, that's mean if you are expert one formula, a spreadsheet formula or Excel formula, so this job for you. Alright, so let's open this job. Data scraping for contact and email addresses for marketing, and it's a $30 to $250. It's a AUD, that's been Australian dollar, and buyer from Australia also. Payment method verified, no problem. Alright, so let's take this job description. Here you can see the job description. So you have to understand first, and you have to read all the requirements. And if you know you can do this project, place your bid. Very simple. Here you can see the already 66 proposal has been sent. Here you can see the 66 freelancers already they are bidding on this project. That's mean those people are your competitors. So if you love this content, please comment below. And no more today. I will come back with another video. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Tata. Bye bye.